Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you worn-out brakes. Let's see. So on my hand here, this one is worn out, this one is almost worn out. So the difference that you can see here is this line. This one is totally flattened out and this one is still intact. So but as it was, this one was making a lot of noise. Even though it was making a lot of noise, it could still break, but not as much as this one. So these ones are still much better, but I had to remove the whole pair. So both left and right, some left bushes at the back, and maybe the discs themselves, but for now the disc is still fine, so not a fault issue. On the brakes, so you usually find that your car makes a sound. Sometimes it's not that the tires are worn, but sometimes it's because there is dust, and then that can make also your braking noisy. Well, but so far since I've done the replacement, the tires are not so good. The brakes it's just that at least I was lucky because I already bought them and I had them on a long trip. The long trip, they started to sound non-stop because I did check them before. The average it was. Now, so far so good with the ones. Another thing they see. How much are they for? So but I always want the best. So thank you for watching. Check me out on the next one. Please like and subscribe and you will see the progress of my